Okay, how weird are people? Both of those people came up, and one of them backed in, one pulled in. They got out and went back to the back there, and they hadn't come out yet. Look at these crazy birds. Look at the trash people just throw out. I don't understand people. They're crazy. What is wrong with people throwing out trash? Why do you do it? Fla Citrus Center. We've got a lot of still photos. So keep an eye out, or stay tuned for the still photos after this video. I may inject a couple of them along the way. Let's cut it off, and let's give us a place to put some. Now we start back up. We'll stick a couple of still photos in there. We'll do that again here in a minute. That raceway is not, I thought it was going to be a big truck stop, but it's not. You've got the Crystal, you've got the Wendy's. I don't know what exit this is. We are hungry though, so it's just 9:45. Yulee 3, Amelia Island 10, Ferdinand Beach, I think it said 13. I don't know what road this is, but I think we're going to come across 17. I think this may be A-1A. I don't know. Clit State Park, we've been there and have video. Okay, let's start and stop this again so that we'll have another place to put some still photos. There's a Publix. We need to go in Publix. Yeah, we will go and want some yogurt. This would be a good place to stop. Check it. Oh, and in Florida, unless they've changed it, buy one get one free in Publix. You have to buy both to get one free. If you just buy one, it's regular price, unless they've changed it. And that's what I learned back 15 years ago, or 14 years ago, when I was down here doing wind mitigation inspections in Miami. Okay, let's turn it off. We're going to stick some still photos here too. Okay, that'll give us another place for a still photo. We're not going to make this video very long. We're uploading a 40-minute video from the S22 Ultra. It's going to take a while. So this one we probably won't upload to start with, because we may want to video with it some more, or either have to crank up the S20. Which only way we can charge it now is with wireless charging. We should have come out there instead of where we came out. I think we can do a U-turn here. And I don't know if this is A-1A. Somebody else did what we were going to do. Over there look relatively new too. Okay, this is Florida State Road 200, A-1A. Okay, this is A-1A. take us to Amelia Island, but we're not going there. We're going to take 17 north back to St. Mary's, Kingsland. We'll spend the day there today. Whether we stay tonight or not, I don't know. And then tomorrow, maybe spend the day again up around Brunswick, Darien, Townsend, and then head back, maybe stay tomorrow night, then head back Friday morning early, leave about 3:30, 4 o'clock. Transmission is not wanting to upshift. But I don't see any sewer. We may have to head back early. This thing doesn't want to get out of second gear. Okay, there it went. Hard shift, but it got out, went to third. Jasper transmission. I know y'all have heard me say it a lot, but you're going to hear me say it a lot more. I'll never buy another item from Jasper Engines. Never, never, never. Warranty is worthless. Product's not good. Certain amount of labor rate they pay, and all the shops charge more, so you're stuck paying the difference. Most of the shops are busy, so that your vehicle will sit out in the parking lot maybe 2 weeks because they don't want to work on it. The shop, Jasper's not going to pay but so much. Okay, when we get to somewhere, we'll turn this one off. This will be a shorter video. We'll get it ready, but I don't think we'll start uploading it because we'll probably keep using this to video. We could go the we could go the GoPro Black 10, but okay, here's 17. We're going to go 17 north. We're going to turn this one off and start another one going 17.